Hello. Hey everyone, so I got a squishy package and you know what that means. It's time to open this. So this was actually, what's it called? Yeah, a New Year's, like a holiday package that my dad got me for me and I'm so excited to open it. So let's just get on with the video. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna open this right away because I'm so freaking excited. There's so many good items in here. Oh, yeah, that's how excited I am, guys. This is actually my first time getting a blue bag. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out an item. This is what I've been excited for. This is so cute. Guys, this is so squishy. OMG, it's so soft. This is an iRoom baguette, and actually, this is the mini version, so I expected it to be mini, but not this mini. Whoa. And I think I'm gonna open it up. It's so soft. It's so cute and soft. Oh my goodness. So soft. I heard these get defected easily, but oh, this is so freaking soft. And the licensing is right here by iRoom. So nice. Okay, so I don't want to spend too much time on this item, but it's so freaking nice. I love it. Next item is I only bought this because if you get $50 or more, you get like a free squishy. So I just bought this one to get $50 or more. I really don't care about it. I don't even know if it's by Fawali. I don't even know what brand that is. I don't know. I'm not really going to take this out because this is just... Okay, the next thing I pull out is my nano. It's so small and cute. It's so nano. Oh, it's really nano. I got the yellow design because the blue and was sold out, and so was the pink, and so I got the yellow, which is still a really nice design. It's so freaking soft. Oh my god, it's so soft, guys. Oh my god, in packaging, it's so crisp too. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take out the next two items, which are the same things, because my friend, I ordered her one of these. So this one is going to be mine because I already squished it. And this one's going to be hers. They feel like Play-Doh, no joke. Here's the tag. It's adorable, guys. This one's going to be hers. And the packaging is kind of crinkly because it's been squished inside the bag. But honestly, I don't mind. It's amazing. Oh my god. Okay, the next thing that I pull out is a Nano Poly. Oh my goodness. Not a Nano Poly, a Mac, a Poly macaroon. And I'm so excited. The tag is really, okay. The tag is huge, guys. Oh my god, the tag is just humongous. Oh my god. This is going to add to my Mac collection, which is currently 3 Macs, and now I have 4 Macs. Super. Okay, and the last thing I pulled out is an extra. This is an extra. So if you spend $50 or more, like I was talking about, you get like a free squishy, and you get to choose. So it was either a Mac or this, and I already bought a Mac, so I picked this one. And I'm so excited, guys. You don't even know. It's part of their holiday sale. I don't know if the holiday sale is still up, but here's the tag. It's by Usmers, I think, or something like that. And I extremely like it. On camera, it kind of looks weird, but in real life, it's so... it scented like strawberries. I'm gonna smell this, baby. It smells like lemons, this one. Okay. And the last thing that I pull out are just some really cute extras. And they gave me, ooh, I always wanted these llama candies and a bunch of stickers, which I'm not going to be showing because it's kind of a waste of time. But OMG, guys, this is the best package I think I've ever gotten. Oh my god.
Okay, listen to me right now. This is my first time ever editing on a computer. I think I did pretty well. I don't care if you think I didn't. I really don't care about your opinion. I'm kidding, I love you guys. But listen, this is my first time editing on a computer, so I hope I did pretty well. This video took a very long time to come out, and I'm really sorry about that, but like, thank you so much much for being supportive and still subscribing and stuff. I think I got copyrighted again. I don't know why. It always happens. I'll fix it. Don't worry, guys. Please go follow my Instagram. It's everything kawaii 101, and it has underscores in between for every word. So please go follow that. Love you guys. Bye.
It scented like strawberries. I'm gonna smell this, baby. It smells like lemons, this one. Okay. And the last thing that I pull out are just some really cute extras. And they gave me, ooh, I always wanted these llama candies and a bunch of stickers, which I'm not going to be showing because it's kind of a waste of time. But OMG, guys, this is the best package I think I've ever gotten. Oh my god.